Our high school guidance counselor used to ask us what you would do if you had $1 million. You didn't have to work. And then invariably, whatever you'd say, that was supposed to be your career. So if you wanted to fix old cars, then you're supposed to be an auto mechanic.
So what did you say? So what did you say?
I never had an answer.
I think that it's brave and just feel like I'm gonna be part of a revolution, for Christ's sake.
I don't know what I'm doing.
That's what's so refreshing. Knowing that you don't know is the first and the most essential step to knowing, you know?
I don't know.
Well, I'm proud of you.
Thanks.
See that? That's me.
Oh, sorry.